In the world of industrial automation, there are secrets hidden within the machines. Secrets that only a select few have the knowledge and expertise to unlock. But now, a new video series has emerged, shedding light on the dark corners of the PLC world. Black PLC is a YouTube channel that delves into the secrets of the Omron brand of programmable logic controllers. The channel's tutorials are shrouded in mystery, as the host, known only as the engineer, keeps his true identity hidden. No one knows who he is, or where he came from. Some say he's a former Omron engineer, others say he's an underground hacker with a vendetta against the industry. But one thing is for sure, his knowledge of Omron PLCs is unparalleled. The engineer's tutorials are comprehensive and thorough, covering everything from basic programming to advanced troubleshooting techniques. He shares his insights in a way that is accessible to beginners, yet still informative to experienced engineers. But why the secrecy? Some say the engineer is protecting himself from corporate espionage, while others believe he's guarding the secrets of the industry from falling into the wrong hands. Whatever the reason, one thing is certain: the engineer's knowledge is highly sought after, and those who possess it hold a significant advantage in the world of industrial automation. So, if you're interested in unlocking the secrets of Omron PLCs, join the engineer on Black PLC. But be warned, once you enter this mysterious world, there's no turning back. The knowledge you gain may change the course of your career, and the fate of the industry itself.